I'm going to show you how you can revive with more HP on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So as you probably know by default, when you die and you revive on R.E.P.O, you will respawn with only 1 HP. But with the method I'm going to show you today, you can configure it however you want, so you can respawn with up to 100 HP or the specific health you want. So to do that, we are going to install a mod. And to install it, we need to go to thunderstar.io, then go to communities and view all communities. And right here, we are going to search for R.E.P.O. So once you click here, you will see the marketplace of all the mods you can install. The one we are looking for is this one called MoreReviveHP. You can also search for it right here. And you can filter the mods by most downloaded as well. And it will probably appear right here. So you just need to click it and you will see two different options to install it. So you can choose the mod manager or the manual download. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it manually, but you can use the Thunderstar mod manager as well. I have a video about how you can install mods with the mod manager. So let's do the manual download. Just click here and save the file. And you will also need BPNext pack. So this is a library that is required for most of the R.E.P.O mods. So just click it and install it as well. Click on manual download. In my case, I have it here already. So just open it, then open the folder and copy the content inside. So this is the content we are going to paste on R.E.P.O games root folder. So if you don't know where you have R.E.P.O, you can open Steam, then go to your library right here, search for R.E.P.O, right click it, manage and browse local files. So this will open R.E.P.O's root folder, but if you don't have it on Steam, you can just search it through the file explorer. So once you are here, you're going to select the files we just downloaded and drag them and drop inside the R.E.P.O folder, and you will see how the BPNext folder is almost empty. So to install mods, you need to run the game at least once. So just open the game and this CMD will appear. So if it appears, it means that you have installed BPNext correctly. So let's wait for the game to open, and now we can close it. So you just need to open the game once, so BPNext will automatically generate the rest of the files needed to install mods. The important folder is this one called plugins, which is where we are going to download and add the mods. So now we are going to open the MoreReviveHP file we just installed, and this is the mod itself. You can see it by the type of the file, which is application extension, and you can check the extension of the file as well. So just copy this file, go to plugins and paste it right here. So now that we have the plugin inside the plugins folder, we can open R.E.P.O, and now everything should work fine. So as you can see, it says one plugin to load, which is MoreReviveHP. And now I'm going to show you how you can configure this mod. So to configure this mod, you need to run R.E.P.O at least once with the mod added. So in my case, I just did it right now. And after that, you need to open BPNext folder, then go to config, and you will see the MoreReviveHP config right here. So you can open it with your notepad and you will see extra health. So basically extra health is the amount of health that will be added to the one you spawn with. So for example, if you put extra health 19, you will spawn with 20 HP because it's 19 plus the one you have by default. So for example, if you want to respawn with 100 HP, you can set this value at 99, and this way you will respawn with full HP. So that's it. Now you just need to save the file and you can continue playing R.E.P.O. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.